Oh my gosh. I miss you, little guys. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect. Hey, mommy, I just recording. Alright, so do you know where we got a weather alert? But do you know I was in my computer and the weather radar alarm went off, so I went to my area, so we might get some weather alerts. Oh,
partly cloudy.
God, that's loud. Gosh, that's loud. Alright, so I turn
Mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s.
let's turn the volume up.
Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper.
Alright, so Dina, on this weather video, I got this at Goodwill about a couple of weeks ago. So maybe 5 or 6 weeks, or maybe I got this from about a month ago. So it's pretty nice weather video. This is the weather video I got from Goodwill. Here's the lights. So, alright, so let's make sure alarm set to voice. Yep. Let's check on this one. Yep. Alright, let's check the weather thing. Alright, Saturday, 65 March 7th. But the forecast say it hasn't rained. But no thunder. Let's check the skies. But no thunder. What the heck? There's no thunder. So, here's my... Now, I will get so close to the skies right next to the air conditioning system. Let's see. Well, no clouds, no lightning, like thunder or lightning, whatever you call it. So, anyway, let's check the radar real quick. Let's check the radar. So, let's check the radar. But you know, I have my weather channel on my laptop, so... So, let's check on my laptop. Alright. It's 67, mostly cloudy. But now, let's check the radar real quick. Let's see. About 7 p.m. there's a rain today. But the scattered strong storms reported. Let's check the radar. Oh, wrong button. There we go. That's the radar. Let's show you the radar. If here in the background, that's my radio. Say play. I got on speed 3 so we can... Let's check the radar. Well, it didn't have any lightning. So, yes, you know, you can go back. Let's check on my location. Let's look for Long Beach. Yep, Long Beach. So, let's do a little bit more. Let's see. Over there, that's my location, so... Alright. Let's check the forecast for today. And it gives you information. Let's check the forecast. But today is mostly cloudy. Oh.